Good morning. In India, we love to celebrate our heroes of the past that have helped craft the country that we can be proud of. One such luminary is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the first education minister of independent India. His birthday, that is 11th November, is celebrated as the National Education Day as a way to honor his legacy and life's work toward furthering the cause of national education and access to the same. The day was first declared in 2008 and over the years have been marked with various educational institutions organizing seminars, talent hunt competitions and awareness campaigns to help the cause of national literacy and all levels of education. Azad himself was an erudite scholar and led the foundation of Indian education system. His peerless commitments for the same, he was given the highest civilian award in the country in 1992, that is Bharat Ratna. He was versed in several languages and supported the use of English for imparting the higher education. He believed in universal access to primary education, which is free, robust, of welcoming to all, irrespective of gender, social status, wealth, faith, etc. He wanted to institutionalize compulsory education for all children up to the age of 14, which was released through the RTE, Right to Education Act in 2009. In reverence of Abul Kalam, let us all take a pledge to make India the most educated country. Each one, teach one.
Good afternoon everyone, this is Himanshu of class 8 from DCC International School. It is 11 November and today is National Education Day. So my friends, do you know about why National Education Day is celebrated on 11th November? Because every year November 11 is celebrated as National Education Day in India. National Education Day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of former Education Minister Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the first Education Minister in the Jawaharlal Nehru cabinet and was the first Education Minister to serve the country after the independence. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad served the country from 1947 to 1958 and introduced many reforms in educational sector. He was also a freedom fighter and scholar who played a very important role in the freedom struggle of India. On the occasion of National Education Day, let's try to now underline the importance of education. The theme of World Education Day 2021 is Recover and Revitalize Education for the COVID-19 generation. Thank you.
Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sayed Hussain from class 5th in DCG International School. Today I will tell you the importance of education. Proper and good education is very important for all of us. It is the process of achievement. Now I will tell you why do we celebrate National Education Day. National Education Day is observed every year on 11 November to celebrate the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the first education minister of independent India. National Education Day celebrates his passion and contribution towards the field of education. Thank you.